I attempted to video a rainbow we saw the other day when we were out and about. It just barely shows up. Good morning. Darlene here from Darlene's Garden at Markward Meadows in Athena, Oregon. I'm so glad you are coming along with me today, and I'm able to share little bits of my garden with you. Enjoy. We'll talk to you as we go along on the video. First roses of the season. This bush always blooms first. It's kind of a climber. The onions are popping up real good in this pot. This is the one I had to put holes in because it had too much water in it. Lots of peas coming up here and then a few over here. I planted out yesterday is still looking okay. I transplanted some California poppies. I hadn't had good luck transplanting them before, but I figure if I could get a plant started in here, eventually there could be a bunch. That one was a squash, a coneflower, some, I forgot the name of it right after I went to say it. Grows up with a tall, kind of a red flower. Some lemon balm back there. And threw in a few more seeds. So once I had planted it before, it didn't come up. So, not sure why I can't get seeds to come up. This is pretty. I had forgotten that I had thrown in a few bulbs of this. It's a type of a iris, I think. It's quite pretty. I believe this is called fireweed. Okay, this is a robin, and I wish he would turn around so you can see his orange breast, but he is a robin, and he was facing me a little bit ago. Right now he wandered kind of away, and I know you can hear the TV in the background. I apologize for that. I just noticed this morning that my wild rose is in bloom. Such a delicate, pretty little flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Such a pink that's almost white, and as it gets a little older, there's some bugs been eating on it. It does kind of lose part of its color and turn white. Oh, like here's one that is white without bug bites all over it. Here's some more pink ones. Just gorgeous. Every time I walk past these planters, I think how pretty they are. I fastened up this particular tomato plant. And the next day or so I need to go out in the regular garden and make sure all the tomato plants out there are tied up to their tomato cages as they're starting to get tall and more bushy than this one. I've been trimming on this one, so I think maybe I'll stop. I don't know. There's pros and cons about trimming them. I think maybe I want it now to kind of bush out a little bit. At first I wanted it to kind of get tall and straight up, but I think maybe it will look prettier if it's bushy. We'll see. I'll let you know as I go along what I decide to do. Wish I could get this to grow in other places in the yard. It develops seeds, but I've never been able to get them to germinate. Such a pretty plant, even if it does smell funny. The catmint. I discovered it's a bit invasive. wishing my other mint was as invasive, because I like this whole area right here filled up with this. I believe this is chocolate mint. This pumpkin is growing nicely. So what I said it was, yes, that's how I have it labeled. We're going to have strawberries soon. I need to get out here and pull the grass out of the strawberry patch. Oh, that one's got a few little red in it. My pink rose is going to bloom soon. It's got buds on it. Pretty little bird. Well, that's all for this beautiful Saturday morning. I started this video a couple days ago, and it's with some clips, and then yesterday and then today. So I wish you all happy gardening. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. Also to hit the little bell button so that you'll be notified, and hit the like button. YouTube likes people to like the videos. That way they know that people are paying attention to the various videos. I will see you on the next video. May the good Lord bless you. Until next time.